Right now, we are going to cross to Ntshudu, who is in Motherwell, where she will tell us what's happening on the voting stations where she is. Sinaye, good morning.
Good morning to you, Jessica, in studio. Yes, we are in Motherwell, and one of the voting stations here is Gqeberha, and we can see that the crowds have come out. It's a big crowd right now, and compared to Raymond Mhlaba, the people here have come out and they woke up very early to make their mark today. After 30 years of democracy, they want to see that change and vote. Right now, we are joined by one of the party members, Good Party, provincial chairperson Usiyanda Mayana, who will be telling us more on the progress of what's happening today. So thank you so much for joining us here at MPK TV. Just tell us on the process leading up to today.
Look, you would know that we've been running up and down, since the past couple of months, and if you look at the queues that we've seen this morning as we have been roving, it's a clear indication that this particular election has drawn a lot of interest, and I'm happy that in particular the ward that we are in today is one of the wards that are disadvantaged in terms of the socio-economic status. So that simply means people really want change. So as to what happens from here onwards, it's up to the people. You can see that they want to determine the way forward.
And just looking at the crowds right now, it's very packed. What are you hoping the outcome to be in terms of like the voting process?
Look, first of all, we're hoping that there is going to be a peaceful process. That is the first thing, so that the credibility of the outcome of this vote is not questioned. In the past, the IEC has shown to be a credible institution to run elections, and we're hoping that this is going to continue to be the case. We might have seen videos on TikTok and other social media platforms wherein there are questionable activities. Some of them have not even been clarified today, but we're hoping that there's going to be a peaceful process, and that the people's will takes precedence. So we're really hoping that the people makes a decision, and then they determine the way forward for themselves. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here. That was your chairperson, a Good Party, Mr. Usiyanda Mayana, just telling us on the progress of the IEC that's happening here at Gqeberha, and that he wishes or hopes that it's a progress or process that will be a credible one, and people would have a smooth sailing voting session. Back to you in studio, Jess.